So here's the Compaq. I don't know if I have the charger for it. Selling on Vista Basic. Right there, it's damaged. 26th October 08. So I bought another laptop on eBay. And this will satisfy me till it shows up. And that one wasn't tested. And might have a hard drive. I'm going to have to take this apart. Might be able to upgrade the Celeron. Oh. Can we get Vista? Oh my god, we have Vista. Yes, we have Vista. Oh my god, is this the original? Here we go. Is that a scratch? Nope. Updates. Full brightness. Dave and Jen. Sweet little place there. Dave. Password hint. Almost time to smoke out. Dungeons and Dragons Online. This is a shitty exploration. So, enjoy it, I guess. Yo, Bush, Eminem, Ricky Van Shelton, Nickelback, Matchbox 20, Limp Bizkit. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, damn it. So they wiped out all their files and fucked up the system. That's what it looks like. Get the hell out of here. What browser is this? Oh, it's Firefox. That's how old this version is. Wow. Yahoo edition? They were gonna update to 35. Bookmarks. Oh, we got a Facebook profile. Won't show the URL. Ooh, busted. Yes. Yep, original installation, alright. Oh, yes. Let's get the tripod. It's not letting me. What the hell? Battery's a brand I've never seen before. LGC. There's the only scratches. Those two, a few light ones right there. 4 of them. Okay, this battery sucks. Like 20 minutes ago, it was at 97.